Okay, you'll notice in this polynomial, one of the factors was x minus 1, and you'll notice that there's no x cubed term here. So when I put it here, I'm going to have to actually put 0x cubed when I'm doing my long division in order to have this as a filler here, okay, so that it actually is there, so when I subtract, I'm recognizing it. So here's how it looks. What I do is I want to eliminate basically this leading one here. This is 3x4. Okay, 3x is 4th. In order to do that, I look at this x term. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply probably by 3x cubed. The reason I chose this is because when I do 3x cubed times x, that's going to eliminate the 3x to the 4th. Because this times this will give me, it'll give me 3x to the 4th. So now when I subtract, these two are going to be gone. And so what I get here is this is going to be minus 3x to the cubed when I multiply this. So this is 3x cubed times x, which will give me this, and 3x cubed times -1 will give me this. If I subtract these away, of course that's 0, and this will just become positive 3x to the cubed. I'm going to bring down now the minus 7x squared. Okay, now I look for the number that's going to multiply by x that will get rid of the 3x cubed, which will be 3x squared. Because if I multiply 3x squared times x, I'm going to get 3x cubed, and 3x squared times -1 will give me negative 3x squared. Now if I subtract these away, you're going to get negative 7x squared minus 3x squared, which will give me negative 4x squared. And I'm going to bring down this negative 8x. Now I'm going to multiply x times something to eliminate this. Well, that something is going to be negative 4x, because negative 4x times x gives me negative 4x squared. Negative 4x times -1 will give me positive 4x. And when I do this here, okay, when I actually multiply these out, and I'm going to subtract this is going to be negative 12x. And I bring down this, and I'm going to get positive 12. In which case, the last thing here is just to multiply something times negative 12x, and so this will be negative 12. Negative 12 times x will give me negative 12x, and negative 12 times -1 will give me plus 12. And if I subtract these, I get a 0 here, which means there's no remainder. And what this simply means is that this long polynomial that I had originally could be written as x minus 1 times 3x to the cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. And that's just taking the factor out, and now I'm left with this polynomial. Of course, I could do this all over again and take another factor out of this one, but that's how to divide polynomials.